let's go to Japan. We booked with Air Canada. And this is everything we ate. At the airport, we had a bagel and a muffin. And then on the flight for dinner, we had chicken over rice, a roll, some veggies, and soba noodles. With dessert of, this is brownie. But alternatively, my partner got beef and mashed potatoes. And definitely some nice wine to go with that. And for snack, they gave us a tuna wrap with Biscoff cookie. A few hours later, omelet potato with fruits. And then we finally landed in Japan and took the KQ line to our first hotel.